Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here, and in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 high-ticket affiliate programs for complete beginners in 2022. So if you are someone that is looking to generate a full-time income online with affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to replace your job in this year or within the next 12 months, then this video will be perfect for you because I'm going to be giving you 5 high-ticket affiliate programs that you could use to realistically quit your job, go full-time. Maybe you want to spend more time with family. Maybe you want to perhaps take more vacations in the year, or whatever your goal is with starting a business online. That's exactly what this video is going to be for. So in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what these top 5 high-ticket affiliate programs are. But before that, I'm also going to talk about why high-ticket affiliate marketing, why I recommend getting started with this if you're someone that is brand new online and you want to make a full-time income. I'm also going to look for exactly what to look for in a high-ticket affiliate program, so you can of course determine what will be right for you to promote. And of course, I will then reveal what the top 5 high-ticket affiliate programs are. So without further ado, let's go right ahead and get right into things. So why high-ticket affiliate marketing? Why do I recommend promoting higher ticket products versus your $10 ebooks on ClickBank, for example, right? Well, the reason why I recommend starting with high-ticket affiliate marketing is because if you're someone that wants to make a full-time income online, let's say you are someone that wants to make $10,000 a month, right? Let's say that's your income goal, right? How many sales, if you're promoting a product that pays you, for example, $2,000 per sale, well, how many sales of, $2,000 do you need in order to hit your 10K per month income goal? Well, in this case, it would only be 5 sales that you would need. Now imagine if you can get, $2,000 commissions, or, you get a $3,000 commission or a $5,000 commission, right? And your income goal is $10,000 a month. Well, if you get just 2 of these every single month, that right there can be considered a full-time income. And for a lot of people, even just 1 of these every single month can be considered a full-time income right there. So for this reason, I highly recommend starting with high-ticket affiliate marketing because it's a lot easier to make less sales of a high-ticket product versus making more sales of, for example, products on, ClickBank or Digistore24. Like, for example, if you're promoting a product that pays you about $100 per sale, roughly $150 per sale, we'll just say $100 per sale. How many sales of this $100 product do you need in order to hit, your 10K per month income goal, right? Well, in that case, it'd be like, 100 sales you'd have to make in order to hit that 10K per month income goal, right? So for a lot of people who are just getting started, even for a lot of veterans, this can be very difficult to do, is getting that amount of sales per month consistently, getting 100 sales of a specific product. And that is why a lot of people are having success with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So that right there should pretty much go to show, that the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the benefit with this exact, this program that I've recently partnered up with, is that there are a ton of, not just people who've been in this for a while, but a lot of newbies that are hitting 10K months within just months of joining this particular program, which I'll reveal a little bit later on in this video. Now, I also want to go over exactly what to look for in a high-ticket affiliate program. So, of course, there's a lot of different high-ticket affiliate programs out there that you could promote. A lot of them are definitely, you could definitely make a lot of money with. But before you go out and you go Google and find like a random program to start promoting, I want to give you the 3 things that you want to look for in a high-ticket affiliate program to determine whether or not it's worth it for you, right? So first things first, I went over this earlier, is high-ticket commissions. If you can make at least $1,000 from one single sale, then I would say it's definitely worth promoting. You don't want to waste your time on low-ticket commissions because then you have to spend more time getting more sales, and then people who, spend low amounts, they tend to refund more. And personally, I recommend sticking with high ticket programs because it's just better all around, and it's a lot easier to hit your income goal. Now, the second thing you want to look for is, are the products of actual quality, right? There's a lot of high ticket programs out there where the products are just, some rehashed information. You don't really get you don't really feel like you're getting your money's worth. And there's a lot of programs out there where people are specifically just joining it for the business opportunity side of it, right? So you definitely want to look for a program that has high quality products, so that this way it's going to be around for a long time, and you don't have to worry about it getting shut down, or them changing things up. And that's really the thing that you want to, of course, really look for, right? So quality products is definitely a must have in a high ticket program, especially if you're going to be investing 1,000 or more in a particular program if you decide to invest in one of these programs. And then number 3 is, does it provide training and resources to help you make more sales? Does it allow you to, does it show you how to actually market the program? Do they have, for example, marketing resources? Like, do they have email swipes you could use? Do they have, for example, training that, free training or coaching or, one-on-one mentoring? What exactly does the program provide in order to help you make more sales, help you make sales a lot easier, right? So that's exactly what I want to, mention right there. And that's exactly what these top 5 programs have, at least to some extent, each of them, right? So let's go ahead, let's dive right into things. And of course, if you want at any point learn how to do affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to start, your affiliate marketing business and learn how to start generating, these high ticket sales online, at any point in this video, you could check out the first link down below, and you can get access to this free training that'll show you exactly how to start growing your affiliate marketing business. And this training can be applied to any program that you wish to promote. It doesn't just have to be, whatever program that you're a part of right now. You could use this training for anything that you want, right? So you could check this out down below, but let's go ahead and let's dive into number 5 in this list, which is Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority is an advertising platform that allows you to simply buy, clicks to whatever product that you're promoting. Now, this is ideally best for products that are in the home business / make money online niche. And this traffic source right here has product packages ranging anywhere from $220 all the way up to $8,000 right here. Now, with this specific traffic source right here, when you promote them as an affiliate, so you could use this at, either to promote whatever business that you're a part of if you're a part of something right now, or you could also promote this as an affiliate and earn some pretty high ticket commissions. So for each single sale that you get, like for example, the basic package, I believe, pays an $80 commission for $220, but it goes all the way up to the diamond package. And whenever you refer someone to the diamond package, for example, you get a $3,200 commission for each sale that you get on this. Now, me personally, I've promoted this not too much. I've promoted this a little bit. As you can see, I've earned so far $1,500 right here. I have another $100 that's going to be paid out soon. So as you can see, I've gotten some pretty good commissions from this exact program right here, and this one has definitely produced a lot of revenue for many affiliates that are in this space, right? So Traffic Authority is definitely one I recommend checking out. The next one is called 7K Metals. This one, what it has to offer is gold and silver that you could buy, right? So they have these coins that you can collect, which are always, as you know, gold and silver is always going up in value. As you can see, some of it, some of these are like, $300, $100. Some of them can go up to for example, so $4,000 for this one right here, which of course is, more on the valuable side, right? So as you can see, here's another one that's like 20,000 right there. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of, earning potential to be made with this exact program right here. This is really great if you want to, for example, get into collecting gold, but it's also really great for earning high ticket commissions as well. And I know a lot of members have been seeing really great success with this one. Now, number 3 on this list is a program by the name of 4%. And this is actually the very first program that I actually had success with a little over 2 years ago, actually. It was March of 2020 that I had my first breakthrough online. I'm filming this about 2 years later. So with this program right here, I've earned, I've actually earned a total of 1,800 or 1,817 to be exact, promoting their exact program right here. And this is just from a small handful of sales that I made within this specific program. But what 4% has to offer is training courses, courses about how to grow your affiliate marketing business, right? So this is pretty much your education center about, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to grow an affiliate marketing business, that's really what they show here. So they've got the Affiliate Marketing Academy, they've got the Success Challenge for affiliate marketing, they have the Wealth Autopilot system right here. They have training about building an email list, how to do communication and copywriting, how to build a tribe online, how to do how to build your own website. They have their own web building platform right here. They've got other speakers in here like Les Brown, Forbes Riley, and tons of other big names like Anthony Morrison, Adrian Morrison. And so yeah, there's a lot of different trainings in here that are pretty much centered around entrepreneurship, making money online, pretty much improving any aspect of your life in that space right there. So 4% is definitely a great program to check out. They have it's a really great earning potential with this one, and they have some really high quality trainings inside of this program. Now, number 2 on this list is a program that I actually promoted pretty much all throughout last year. It's called Multiple Income Funnel. This one, what makes this one very unique is that they allow you to earn from multiple streams of income, right? So with this one right here, you have 4 main income streams you could earn from. I've done plenty of videos reviewing this exact program right here. You could earn residual income from the multiple income funnel system itself. As you can see, I've had a total of 6,000, almost 7,000 that's been paid out. I have another like 200 or like over 300 that's about to be paid out, actually more than that. And as you can see, I've been getting some very consistent revenue over the past year that I've been promoting it, right? So as you can see, this has been going all the way since like beginning of last year that I've been getting consistent payments with this exact program. So definitely a great one to check out if you want to earn residual income as well as high ticket commissions from other income streams inside of here, like Power Lead System, which allows you to earn, I believe, up to 1,000 per sale. We have TextBot that allows you to earn instant commissions, $100, 500, 1,000 per sale. And then, of course, one of the other income streams in here is one of the other ones I showed, which is Traffic Authority. So Traffic Authority, like I mentioned earlier, has a very great earning potential, and you could also earn from it simply by leveraging this exact system right here. So definitely one that I would say is worth checking out. But my number 1 recommended program in this list, the one that I recommend starting with if you're someone who is brand new, is a program by the name of MCS, or Millionaires Challenge System, by Zach Crawford. Now, this is a bit of a newer program. This just recently launched, I believe, earlier this year. And this program has been getting a ton of newbies some pretty phenomenal results. I'm not just talking about a couple extra $100, but I'm talking $2,000 commissions, $3,000 commissions, $5,000 commissions, simply just from one single sale alone, right? So this program has been getting some pretty phenomenal results. As you can see right here, you've got tons of members being featured into this Facebook group every single day, and that are getting some pretty phenomenal results. And what's really great about this exact system right here, and I've went over other ones like 4% that has really great training, and another one here is Multiple Income Funnel, which is more of like a done for you type of system. But what this program does very well is it kind of combines the best of both worlds between education, learning how to do affiliate marketing, and also being able to leverage a system that's already proven. So with this system right here, with this program, you're getting access to a done for you system that allows you to simply, you just get really good at driving traffic, and this system does a really great job at converting your leads into buyers. But also on top of that, they have some very high level, very in-depth training that shows you how to do affiliate marketing. So this way, you never have to rely on, one particular, done for you system. And this shows you how to go out there and market anything that you want. So if you want to go out there and you want to market products in Digistore 24, or if you want to market products in ClickBank or JVZ or Warrior Plus or anything else that you want online, this training shows you exactly how to do that. This shows you how to become a very powerful promoter with the exact training right here, right? So they break down everything in terms of, mindset. They break down how to get traffic. With this particular program, they focus a lot on Facebook organic traffic, which is one of the more newbie-friendly ways to start affiliate marketing. But they also go into things like how to build an email list, how to write emails, how to build funnels, how to look unique in the online marketing space, right? But this program actually doesn't even recommend that you do these things until you get really good at driving traffic. And once you get to a consistent 10K a month, then you can go ahead and learn these other things, right? Now, what's even better about this exact system right here is they actually have a free training you can get access to, and you can get access to this simply by visiting the first link down below. So first link below this video will get you to this page right here, and if you want to get access to this free training, all you have to do is simply click on this button right here, enter your name, your best email, and then what will happen is you'll be taken over to this page right here where you'll see the video that gives you your next step, and then you can simply join their free Facebook group. And inside of their Facebook group, you see the members that are getting their results, and also they have free training in here that shows you how to get up and running with affiliate marketing. So this is in detail training that shows you how to get up and running. And of course, if you decide to, you could decide to go into their full program and then go even deeper into this, right? So anyways, with that being said, if you got value in this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And of course, check out the free training down below. I will see you on the inside, and take care.